In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Monday.com that moves items automatically between groups or boards. To get started, open the Monday.com board where the items are currently located. This is the board that will trigger the automation, so make sure you're in the right place before you continue. If your workflow depends on items being updated in a specific board, it's important to double check that first because the automation will be built from there. Once you're inside the board, look for the automations option and click it. This is where Monday.com lets you build rules that handle repetitive actions for you automatically. Using automations can save time, reduce manual work, and help keep your boards organized without needing constant attention. After opening the automation area, create a new automation. Monday.com usually provides templates as well as custom automation options, so you may see different ways to begin. The key here is to start a new rule that matches the workflow you want. Take a moment to review the setup screen so you understand how the trigger and action will connect. Next, choose the trigger for the automation. For example, you can set it so the automation runs when a status changes. This means that as soon as an item reaches a certain stage in your process, Monday.com will respond automatically. Choosing the right trigger is important because it determines exactly when the item should move. Try to match the trigger to a real point in your workflow, such as when a task is marked complete or approved. Then select the action to move the item. This is the part that tells Monday.com what should happen after the trigger occurs. In this case, the action is to move the item automatically, which helps streamline your process and keeps work progressing without manual updates. After that, choose the destination group or board where the item should go. Be careful here and make sure you select the correct location, especially if you manage multiple boards or similar group names. Sending items to the right destination will keep your workflow accurate and prevent confusion later. Finally, save the automation and test it with a sample item. This step is very important because it confirms that everything works the way you expect. Update a test item so the trigger condition is met, then watch to see whether it moves correctly. If it does, your automation is ready to use. If not, go back and review the trigger, action, and destination settings. And that's it. You've successfully created a Monday.com automation to move items automatically.